I bring my family because I want them, especially my grandson, experience the Christmas spirit as a Filipino. For me, it's a family that, to be together, especially you're out of the country and you want that spirit to be here.
I'm just happy that I have my children. Only one of my daughter is not here. They are my life now. And I have my two sweet apo.
I think she loves making parols because my lolo, he used to put up the parol every year.
Maybe he's looking at me and happy because I'm making one for the family.
I think having the parols in our house will remind us a lot of this moment, and I really enjoyed making them.
Merry Christmas! Maligayang Pasko!
Merry Christmas!
We made this for our kids to have the Filipino spirit here in the U.S.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
A parol symbolizes hope, blessings, and peace for many Filipinos. Thank you to everyone that attended the Parol-Making Workshops, and we hope it inspires you to continue or even start a new Christmas tradition for you and your families. Merry Christmas from Seafood City.